What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Now, let me start from the beginning. If you are new here, what we're doing is this is like a ClickBank for beginners here. We're using this lead source that gives us 100 leads every single day, and we're emailing them through their platform, their autoresponder, ClickBank offers. We got two ClickBank offers that we are promoting, and they also give us our email swipes that we're using to email to these leads every single day. Now, this lead source right here, these are cold leads, but they're hungry for business opportunity. These leads do convert. If you watched my case studies before, we're also promoting another business called the All-in-One 25 Digital Business. This right here gives you recurring income every single month when somebody signs up with you. One sale a week with this All-in-One 25 Digital Business, you can earn up to $75,000 a year recurring income. Now, what this is you're able to build funnels, you're able to build websites, you're able to build membership sites. This site right here was built through the technology, through the software that the All-in-One 25 Digital Business that you get with the membership. Now, what we're doing is we're promoting this because if you're going to have an online presence, you're going to need this type of software. Now, one sale, one $25 sale can land you up to $75,000 recurring income every single year. Two sales up to 150,000, and three sales up to $224,000 a year recurring income. Now you see why we're promoting this. Not only do we use their product, great product. I use I build capture pages. You're able to build that, and it goes right into this page right here that sells them the offer. But what we're doing is we're putting this link for the All-in-One 25 Digital Business. If I can get one to load, right here, I'm putting this link at the bottom. Company pays 80% commission weekly, and I'm putting my link right there that takes them over to the All-in-One 25 Digital Business. What I'm promoting is ClickBank offers in my main body of my email. And I'm putting the All-in-One 25 Digital Business down at the bottom. I'm putting my picture also in the email. Kind of gets, helps them get to know you. I put my Facebook link right there. That way, it's just not an ordinary email that I'm sending out. And then I'll show you where you get the emails right here shortly. But that's how we're doing our number one business, the All-in-One 25 Digital Business. Now, I did a case study. It's like 25-day case study using my leads, these leads right here. We made $200 recurring income in less than a month, less than 30 days, using these leads right here. Now, what I want to do is I want to use these leads and send them to ClickBank offers. Take the profit from these ClickBank offers that are selling and buy premium traffic with that profit. Sending that premium traffic to a capture page for the All-in-One 25 Digital Business and selling them on the All-in-One 25 Digital Business, our main business that we're promoting. So not only do you get 100 leads every single day, if you bring in one person, which the company lets you get multiple accounts, you can refer yourself. You're now able to get 200 leads a day, which is 6,000 leads to email out to every single month, every single day. So what we're doing is we're getting multiple accounts. So we're getting more leads to email out to. So and the company's letting us do this. So we get our first account, we get our second account under our first account, our third account up under our second account, and so on and so on. I have 8 accounts. And we're sending emails that we're getting from our our products that we're promoting. We're promoting social media jobs. And let's just go over and let's see if we got a sale since day one. Our first day was able to get a sale promoting with our leads. This is day number 5, 2 through 5. And let's see what if was able to get another sale. This was our first day right here. Second, third, and fourth day, which was yesterday, was able to get a sale. So 2 sales in 5 days using my lead gen secret. What we're going to do is we're going to take the profit that we're making um, with Clickbank and we're going to buy premium traffic and send that premium traffic to our funnel for the all-in-one 25 digital business. So we're able to build our email list absolutely free. Now things might change along the way, like all the money might not go to lead sources. We might start new streams of income, but that's what we're doing right now. We're doing a case study for the beginning Clickbank people who want to start making money promoting Clickbank offers and then taking that money and getting into other businesses, high ticket offers. You can do exactly what I'm doing is do the Clickbank offers in the all-in-one 25 digital business. It works. It absolutely 100% works. And through my case studies, watch my videos, we get sales. It's the only way I'm promoting this is through the My Lead Gen Secret leads. Now, to get started, what you want to do is the links are below. Is go to My Lead Gen Secret, sign up, and get an account for $1 a day. You're able to get 100 to 200 leads to email to every single day. And like I said, you probably want to get multiple accounts. That way, if you only got one account, it's going to be a while before you start seeing results. Multiple accounts, you'll be able to see results faster. And then once you have your leads, then you want to go sign up. If you want to go ahead and sign up for the all-in-one 25 digital business, the links below, or just go ahead and start excuse me, start emailing uh, Clickbank offers. So to get to the Clickbank offers that we use, you want to go to Marketplace, and then you want to go to e-business, e-marketing. It's going to bring you to this page right here. And this is what we promote. To get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and write app reviews. These are the only 2 that we're promoting right now. You click on the affiliate page, and it's going to take you to this page right here. And once you scroll down, these are all the email swipes that you're going to need. There's 20 of them right here. There's 20 days to get you started. You click on the emails, you copy the subject line, you go to your email responder, you paste it in there, you go back, you copy your body, and then once you paste it in, you copy this, you just go back, you put your name right there where it says signature, and then your links right here at the bottom. You're going to edit this right here where it says your Clickbank ID. You're going to put your Clickbank ID right there, and then you're going to put your link where it says click here. And you're going to do that once you put everything into your body of the email right here. and you're going to hit perfect timing, and you're going to send your email. Simple as that. 15 to 20 minutes a day if you got 5 or more accounts, and you're making money just copying and pasting. This is a case study I'm doing. We're 5 days in. We've already got 2 sales. Guys, this works. Follow my lead. Don't wait till I'm 100 days in and then jump in. You're going to be 100 days behind. Go ahead, join with me. Let's ride this out together. And I'll see you on the next video. And also, when you join me, I'm going to give you 100% training. I'm making videos for that absolutely right now. If you go to my playlist, there's already one for the all-in-one 25 digital business. But this is the case study for our Clickbank. And I show you how we did put that all-in-one 25 digital business into the emails that we send out. And we're also getting people looking at our offers there also. All right, guys, I'll see you on day number 6.